Is curry gluten-free? The answer is, it depends. Curry spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander are naturally gluten-free, but once those spices are turned into curry powder, sauces, or restaurant dishes, the risk changes. Many commercial curry products may include wheat-based thickeners, soy sauce, or hidden additives. Even if the ingredients look safe, cross-contact during processing can introduce gluten. That's especially important for people with celiac disease, where even small amounts matter. Not all curry products carry the same risk. Dry spice blends are usually the easiest to check. Prepared sauces and frozen meals are more complex. Restaurant curry is often the hardest to verify due to shared kitchens and unknown ingredients. So what should you look for? Watch for wheat, barley, rye, and soy sauce. Be cautious with vague labels like seasoning or flavoring. And when possible, choose products clearly labeled gluten-free. The safest option? Make your own curry blend at home using trusted spices. The takeaway is simple. Curry can absolutely be part of a gluten-free diet, but you should never assume it's safe without checking.